Robots and AI, what will they really replace in human work? Introduction. This video is based on a conversation between me, the channel creator, and Chat GPT version 4. Together, we explored what humanoid robots and artificial intelligence might be able to do in the next 10 years, their limitations, and how they could impact human work. When we think about robots and artificial intelligence, it's easy to imagine a world where machines take over most of our tasks. But the reality over the next 10 years is much more complex. Humanoid robots, those designed to resemble humans and capable of moving and manipulating objects, still face significant limitations. Their abilities are very different from specialized machines already operating in factories, warehouses, or farms. These machines perform one task very well, predictably, and efficiently. A combine harvester gathers grain, a berry-picking robot harvests fruit, and an automated pallet mover transports goods, all optimized for a single function. A humanoid robot, on the other hand, would have to do everything: plant, water, tend, harvest, wash, sort, carry, and in varying conditions. This is a huge technical and economic challenge. A single function is not enough, and adding more functions drastically increases complexity and cost. Let's look at specific examples. A cleaner, a human, can instantly recognize what is what, decide the order of tasks, what to touch, and what to leave alone. A robot would need millions of decisions and analyses in a fraction of a second to achieve a similar result. A lifeguard or professional diver, underwater situations can change in an instant. Currents, obstacles, the condition of a person in need. A robot cannot operate independently in these conditions. In farming, a humanoid would have to handle all stages: assessing soil, tending plants, harvesting at the right time, and also carrying, sorting, and washing, all extremely difficult and expensive, whereas specialized machines already perform these tasks efficiently. Even in arts and crafts, a robot can technically replicate patterns, but it does not create unique works. Collectors value originality, the story behind the creation, and the soul put into the work, something a robot cannot provide. This brings us to the value of human work. Humans act intuitively and flexibly, making decisions in an instant, creating something unique, and adapting to a changing environment. These qualities make robots, even if fast and efficient in simple or predictable tasks, still primarily supportive tools. Looking further beyond 10 years, humanoid robots may become more versatile and agile, and their costs may decrease. However, fully replacing humans in work that requires creativity, intuition, and adaptability remains a distant prospect. They will continue to support humans in repetitive and predictable tasks, but unique, flexible tasks requiring situational judgment will remain human territory. In summary, over the next 10 years, robots and artificial intelligence will not replace most physical or creative work. They can accelerate, assist, and relieve humans in certain areas, but for tasks that require intuition, flexibility, and uniqueness, human presence remains irreplaceable.